Hello everyone, my name is Camille. I'm the owner of Morfosoaps. Thank you very much for joining me with this soap making video today. Welcome to the month of July. It's always exciting to announce the theme of the month. As I mentioned last week, we have a new theme for the month of July, and this is gonna be the summer drinks or summer beverages. So each week we're gonna be releasing one new video, one new soap, and it's gonna be based off the summer drinks, as I mentioned. So we're gonna have in total 5 videos released in the month of July. I'm not gonna have long introductions anymore. I'll be talking more often during the video, so I'll leave you to watch it without further ado, and see you again next week. Take care. Bye now. So the first soap for the month of July is the Pina Colada Soap. I used a fragrance called Pina Colada Fragrance Oil, and it really smells amazing. For this soap, I used few colors. I used the green, yellow, brown, and one color that is kind of off-white or beige color. So after mixing the color with a little bit of oil, I'll keep them on the side and I'll start preparing my batter, which is as usual. I have all the oils in my pitcher and then I add to it the lye water solution. I mix everything to very light trace, like barely emulsion, and then I'll split off for the colors. And for this soap, I went with a simple design of a drop swirl without a hanger swirl, without anything else. So I separated the batter into the colors, 4. And then I started pouring each color after the other. You're gonna see the pour. It's really like slow, nice. Everything went well, nothing hardened, nothing accelerated. And the end result really turned really nice. And after I poured all the soap, now I'm gonna prepare the top of the soap, which is a piping. I put the fragrance oil, I have a small portion of batter, and then I add my titanium dioxide for the white color into the lye water solution. I mix everything, stink blend them, and then wait for them for the right consistency when it's ready, and then I'll start piping the top. So after the piping, as usual, I'm adding my embeds on the top. So I'm using the brown gumballs just to represent the coconut, and then on the other sides, like left and right side of those gumballs, I'll be putting small yellow pineapple pieces, embeds of soap. So after I have all my gumballs and embeds put on the top, I'll put some glitter on it and then spritz it with some alcohol. And then the next day we're cutting the soap. I had a little bit of, not a mess, but some embeds fell off. I fixed them later, that's fine. However, the soap turned really, really beautiful. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. And again, if you're not subscribed, you can go ahead and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you again next week with another drink, another soap. Stay tuned. Take care and stay safe. Bye for now.